In this video, we're going to show you how to change the toner in an OSE TDS 700. This is what the toner looks like. Make sure that it says TDS 700 toner on it. In a box of 2 of these toner bottles, you also get 1 waste bottle. So for each 2 toner bottles, you replace 1 waste bottle. The toner goes in the left-hand cover over here. And to open that, you just lift up on this little tab and let the door swing down. This is the waste bottle, this white bottle. You just pull that off. And if it's not full, this one's about half full. If it's full, you want to replace this bottle. If it's not, you can put it back on. And it just slides on and off. The toner cartridge, you want to shake up the toner. Make sure it's broken up, no chunks in there. And then the toner gets installed in this spot right here. Toner bottle, insert it with the lip towards the front and tilt it up into place. Once the bottle's in place, you pull out on this handle to open the toner cart bottle and dump the toner into the machine. You can see the toner in there, and as it fills, this toner level will lower. I'm not actually going to do it on this machine because this machine's already got toner in it. And when this bottle is empty, you push this handle back in again, and then you tilt this bottle off and rotate. Swing this cover up, and the control panel will show that it's recognizing the new toner, and after a few minutes it will be ready to print.